Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, money team? Welcome to the daily DOD live stream. Let's go. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see here. Good morning, TikTok. For the TikTok algorithm, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Nothing said here is financial advice. It is all for education and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Let's get this party started today. What's up, my followers? Team DOD. What's up, man? It is DOD time. DOD in the house. DOD in a blouse. DOD marry it. Marry it, make it your spouse. Yes. What you dotting? Man, I went to that Nuggets game last night. Can't believe we lost in the last minute on some free throws. Crazy. Diabolical work.
Hopefully catch a trade today. How's your morning?
Hoping I can catch a winner too. After yesterday's loser. You guys see, I got that footage of that guy who vandalized my car.
I've seen that. Should be able to track him down, right? Cops, figure out who it is.
They're working on it.
Not only is that petty, but it's gonna be embarrassing when his family stuff find out he would do something.
I know. That's my biggest thing, bro. Dude, I got some sleuths in my DMs. These people are like just detectives. If you guys didn't see the video, I'll post it in here. Dude, honestly though, the valet guy chasing him is kind of funny. Watch the valet guy chasing this man like primetime Ray Lewis. Bro just full on sprint. Bro's flailing the arms, chasing him. I was like, oh man, I got to give A for effort there. He rushed for more yards than the entire New England Patriots. You know what I actually thought about for another like tip video or blessing when I have a big trading week is hooking that guy up. I mean, like, hey man, I know you're valet driving, you're hustling. You tried real hard to stop this criminal. That'd be kind of funny. That's what it reminded me of, Grizzly. Oh, that's hilarious, bro. That is literally hilarious. Honestly, I just want to find out who he is so I can talk to him. I just want to have a conversation. What'd you say?
Maybe he can trade.
Yeah. Apparently he needs some purpose in his life. So no one who's happy. He needs DOD in his life, genuinely. Broken by you. Look at this look at this video, guys. Look at this video. Look at the hold on. I gotta go up a little. Here we go. Watch what this guy's doing to all the cars in valet. This was the Tesla behind me. Bro, just going up, smashing. Look at the valet guy. Look at the valet guy. Just running full speed. Bro is like prime Brian Urlacher, Ray Lewis. That's what I'm talking about. That's my man right there. He had more yards than the Patriots. Oh. No, bro just seriously needs some purpose in his life. Like, if you're on a Friday night going around and damaging a bunch of random people's cars, you need help. You need Jesus, man. Oh, boy. Hopefully we can find ourselves a winning trade today. I got stopped out in literally like 15 seconds yesterday. That was very annoying. Then missed my second 2-bar setup. It was just not my trading day. Every dog has their day, and yesterday was not mine. You know, at least hopefully if I lose my trade today, or trades today, hopefully it at least like plays out a little bit. It's very frustrating when you take a trade and you get stopped out in 10 seconds. Literally immediately. That shit. Yeah, that went immediately just the wrong way. Like literally immediately. So is what it is. I better see all y'all at the free live training tonight. Better see all y'all there. Even if you've already been to a few. Can you hold a few grand? Well, you can learn DOD in the system and you can make a few grand. And honestly, that's going to happen. You know, trading, it's honestly just like, how do I put this? I don't like putting trading and gambling together, but there is similarities in the sense, like, for example, if you go to a roulette table and you roll 10 times, You might be right 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. You might get 5 black, 4 red, and 1 green. You know, that's just how it goes. You're gonna have different outcomes based on probabilities. Someone said, Jdun, I tried showing someone the 2-bar/DOD system, and they said the strategy was complete luck. Yeah, and they probably went and told you that ICT was the way, the will and the way. Trading is all about catching trends. That's ultimately what you want to do, and the 2-bar setup helps people catch more trends. If you catch more trends, you're going to make more money, plain and simple. And drown me in love.
All right, guys. So
I was in stages, Jen. Didn't realize that. Can you explain the DOD system? Well, it's based on psychology and watching price action every day. What happened to the Nuggets last night? Bro, I don't know. I was at the game. I don't know. Donovan Mitchell's a dog. That man don't miss. Remember all that crap I talked on Top Step? Well, y'all seen the rule changes, right? Intraday drawdown on a live account is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I told y'all to drop step a long time ago. I called it. Just saying. Just saying. I was talking all that tea, and it came out to be right. Yeah, but you already know that going in. Top Step literally retroactively changed their entire live structure. Because you know why? I'll tell you why they did all this. I can't talk. Why they did all this is that they didn't have a consistency rule, and they got rinsed on those massive moves on silver and gold. That's why they changed all these different. And I get it. It's just drop step 2026. All I'm saying. Well, of course they're doing damage control now. Duh. I thought it was kind of crazy too. I mean, you can't hedge accounts. I totally understand that, but it's funny that they were going back literally a year. Like they went back a year in some cases, 7, 8, 9 months, and terminated people's accounts that were close to payout or funded for hedging. Makes sense. I mean, they had to clear their books because they got destroyed with no consistency on gold and silver. That's all that happened. That's literally what happened. All that to say, prop from this, prop from that, you guys should all be focused on ultimately trading on a live account. Tradeify is the GOAT. I think Tradeify is the #1 firm in the world right now. overall, if you measure all metrics, I think Tradeify is the best. Their select accounts are great. You guys can get 30% off using code Jdun. I recommend their select accounts. The select 50K. If you guys want to get funded with Tradeify, you can use code Jdun. Code Jdun. I appreciate your support. I'll do my best to help you guys pass your challenges and not lose trades like we lost yesterday. We didn't lose much, but I did not win yesterday. That frustrated me. I hate losing. I mean, losing is part of the game. I just don't like it for y'all. I want to be perfect for y'all. Unfortunately, that's just not possible. The standard isn't 40%. It's only on occasion. Do I recommend it? I like Tradeivate, yeah. Dude, that was so funny. Seeing the valet guy run after that vandal. Dude, Tyler, that was crazy. Literally, bro. Unreal. Someone said Jdun hypothetically. Yeah, right. The Patriots needed him. Where was valet guy for the Patriots? Are you having Jay bumming in today? I hope not. Shit. It's been a long time since I've had 2 red days in a row. So knock on wood. I'm going to follow the system. And if I make money, it's going to be following a plan. If I lose money, it's going to be following a plan. I accept either outcome every day. Of course. Always tip your valet. How do I feel about Lucid? I prefer Tradeify. I prefer Tradeify. If you guys want to trade with me today, you can go get a select 50K account. Those are the ones that come with daily payouts for 30% off using code Jdun. If you're using Take Profit, if you like Take Profit Trader, then you'll love Tradeify. That's my thoughts. Choose the select account. Let's get it, guys. 2 more minutes. A minute and a half left. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused today, and let's choose DOD. Someone from Team Bull Trading asked me to transfer crypto. Well, then it's a scam.
All right, Team Wolf. Less than 1 minute. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Trade smart, trade safe. What you watching today, Grizzly Glock? You see any levels you like?
Nothing right, nothing close, man. But wants the 15-minute range again, and maybe if we get some strength above that pre-market high for entry. Let's see.
All right.
You?
Not a lot, man. Just staying patient. I'm going to get my option chain pulled up per usual. Oh no, we're gonna do next day expirations. Market's open. Ding, ding, ding.
Showtime, yes.
Showtime.
Let's see. Touching the level 365, let's see if they're gonna talk. Or they're gonna go to formations and talk.
I'm getting some more coffee. I'll be right back. I don't have Gene today.
You're thinking about it, you see? Playing between the levels 365, 416. Need to be careful, guys. Remember, the plan is going down to kill these tendons. That's the main scenario, right? Going down. Just need to find the right entry.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, I'm getting ready with the shots. Not yet. Waiting a little bit more.
Whoop, whoop. All right, let's go. Jeez Louise. I got my coffee. I got my water. All right, what'd I miss? What'd I miss, folks? Did I miss anything? Missed nothing? All right. I missed y'all. That's what I missed. I missed you. I missed you, baby boo. That's what I missed. I think Tesla's moving too. Oh, I missed Tesla move. Damn, look at that. Well, actually, there would have been no entry there. For how I trade, I would have needed a pullback into pre-market high at 420. And guess who just showed up to the party? Pay Done, baby. That's who showed up to the party. Pay Done is here. You know what was different about yesterday is I wore my glasses yesterday. Maybe I'm better. Maybe I'm a better trader when I can't see.
Going down, guys. It's going down.
Someone said, why does TikTok auto-follow accounts like this? I don't want to follow day traders. Baby, my sweet Ricardo. I ain't no average day trader, my boy. This is the DOD ultimate trading live stream. You are rocking with Pay Done. Your algorithm knows we want to see y'all make some money. We want to see you make some money. We want to see you take care of your lady or your mans or whatever's going on over there. I got you, baby. So listen to your algorithm, sit back, get yourself a trading account, and let's get you paid, all right? All right. I got you, my boy. Day trading adds zero value to society. Well, neither does NASCAR racing. But giddy up and saddle up your engines, folks. Come on. No. All right, let's find ourselves a trade. All right, I'm done. Ricardo, get yourself comfortable. You're not allowed to leave. Sorry. Chat has voted, and we vote that you must stay. So you are psychologically required to stay and trade with us. Your algorithm says it. We say it. That's what has to happen. All right, let's see what we get today, folks. Let's see what we get today. We need to mark out our pre-market high and pre-market low, per usual. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Okay. Coat that blue. Then we'll mark out our 15-minute high and low in a moment, too. How was the basketball game? It was great. Yep, Pay Done is here, guys. Don't worry, Pay Done's here. I'm not wearing my glasses today. I think that was the problem yesterday. And if we happen to lose again today, I'll find something else to blame. Because it can never be my fault, right? I'm just playing with you. Yo, I appreciate y'all being here. Let's take a moment before we get this first 15 minutes in. We got over 1,000 people here, 1,200 people on YouTube, and 137 likes. What's up with that? Let's get those likes up to 300, guys. Come on. If you're choosing DOD today, if you're going to trade smart and trade safe, and if you're looking to make progress in your trading today, hit that like button. Smash that like and smash that subscribe, baby. Same with the TikTok. Tap that screen over and over. There's no reason why we can't be at 20K likes. Let's get it. Appreciate y'all hitting that like button. Rock with me. We trade live every day for about 2 hours. I'll be on here for about 2 hours.
Yes. Greg, leave already?
All right, let's see. What do we get today, folks? Choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe. We're 10 minutes in. Ugh. Sorry about that. Slurp. Slurp, 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 slurp. Oh, man, let's get it. Let's make ourselves some moolah today. We are trading the NASDAQ, and we are trading on the right. I'm going to have my baby Tesla up because, well, I love Tesla. Because I love Tesla. That's why. Because I love trading me some Tesla. I'd love for us to get a big downside move today. Sell off some of that move yesterday. I'm not going to count on it completely, but it would be nice for sure. Let's see. This Tesla 417. I need to have like a 420. I'm watching this Tesla. Geez, these next day options are expensive on Tesla. $600 a piece at the money. That's crazy. Pricey. Pricey. Well, what's Bitcoin at? We got Bitcoin at 68. Bitcoin might dump more, but I mean, I'm confident we'll see a new all-time high in time. I don't know when. I don't try to predict when. I just buy it and hold. It also makes it easier for those of you that hold significant amounts of Bitcoin if you put it on cold storage. And you don't have to look at it. It just is there. A lot of y'all need to be able to put your trades in cold storage. Just take your trade and lock it up in cold storage so you can't impulsively manage it or let your emotions get the best of you. Just take some shorts and put it in the cold storage, bro. Still waiting, chat. We got 3 5-minute candles in. I'm flipping through individual names. On the screen, I have Tesla and NVIDIA. Or Tesla and NASDAQ. I got NVIDIA on my own screen. That's where that came from. Well, here's 417. Yeah. I'd love a trend day to Elmo's World. Welcome to Elmo's World. We want to trade the downside.
Hey guys, the scenario worked until the middle line. I didn't take it. Was expecting a little more price action. And also we were very close to open. But it worked. The analysis worked. Only 1 ticket. Took 2 shots. It's playing on the pre-market.
Interesting. Let's see how we close this candle down. Wick above pre-market low. That's interesting. Got to tell you, there is a piece of trading. Obviously, we try to keep systematic entries as our only path to profitability. But there's a piece of trading, that trader's intuition, that just can't be explained. That's where a lot of the time to become a profitable trader comes from, is you have to develop that intuition. Maybe I sound like a hippie saying that, but I believe in it. I swear that over time you get a bit more intuitive after you see the same setup happen 100 plus times, 200 plus times. No, we don't we don't trade off vibes here. You think I want a Cybertruck? Bro, you got to understand that I'm not going to have an electric vehicle. I don't want an electric vehicle, bro. Still no trades yet, guys. And we have no sort of trend confirmation either way. I just don't like electric vehicles, bro. Okay, guys, let's wait and see what we can get today. You're smart. I think my cars belong with with sound. I think I like gas cars. What's the deal? What's wrong with that? Okay, guys, still no trades. Tesla, I wanted to see a pullback down to this 420 area. We did not get that. That was that pre-market high, like 420, 421. We didn't get that. We've had no volume confirmation or retest of the 50% retracement on the 5-minute on the NASDAQ, so I'm just waiting. I was red on the day yesterday, so I'm going to be very cautious and only am looking for A+ setups today. What's the 25-200 area for? It's possible. The best Asia session trader I know is going to be Mr. Gene. Jen does well too. They both kill it in Asia. I personally don't really trade Asia. I'll hop on maybe once every week or once every 2 weeks. I just really like my afternoons and evenings to be chill and not have to think about trading. Maybe it won't. I could start trading Asia consistently tomorrow. I just haven't.
Needs those shorts. Huh?
I actually think this pullback down to 420 area on Tesla looks good too. Around 420. See if this NASDAQ confirms. We're touching pre-market high on Tesla right now. If for any of my individual traders or anyone trading funded options on Vanquish, This could be a starter area at 421. I'd rather see a little deeper into this 50% retracement around 420. Just make sure you define the risk a bit better. So you'd almost have to target high a day. I'll show you what I mean on the screen share. You see this pre-market high here. We're touching it to a T. This is a setup I like on the NASDAQ too. If we ever get it. So the education, the system goes with any asset you want to trade. As long as it's VPA based. Let's see, move deeper into 420 if I was going to try it.
Took a fiscal on the middle line.
Your VPA is volume price analysis. Oh, come on, Tesla. I was actually going to take an options trade on Tesla if we got down there. If we get down to that 420. We might not. We might only get pre-market high. VPA, volume price analysis. This is your daily reminder, everybody, to choose DOD. Don't allow cheap dopamine, revenge trading, tilt trading, and all the other different actions that you've taken in the past to haunt and cripple your trading. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. The DOD way.
Crazy bounce on that line. Anyone took it?
So we're coming back up to that 50% retracement for the morning. That midline. We'll see how we react in here. If we had aggressive volume on this candle, I'd likely try a short as we moved up. But we don't, so just waiting.
Any trades yet, Team Bull? Anybody?
Nope.
No.
No trades.
Part of me wants to try this at VWAP, but Ryan's not telling me anything again today.
Yep, Tradeify is 30% off with code Jdun if y'all want to get funded and take my next trade with me. If y'all want to take my next trade with me, you can use code Jdun with Tradeify. I appreciate your support, yep. Appreciate your support every day.
Control right above VWAP as well. Nice. What? I was saying, Jdun, I've been back testing a strategy for the Asia session.
Yeah, how's it going?
I think I found a decent one, but
All
I
right.
gotta do a little more work on it. I may have to see how the Asia session is.
This would be the area that I'd typically look for a reject, but we don't have confirming volume, so. And we might get this aggressive close with higher volume up here. So I'm going to wait.
Candle.
Yep, I'm just going to wait.
Those are my thoughts this morning that was going to sweep that pre-market low and climb. So we'll see.
I will not get caught and stopped out in 20 seconds again. If I lose a trade today, this puppy's going to work out. or like work for us and then ultimately stop. Where'd my... There we go. I need my playlist. I can't trade in silence. Yeah, definitely not shorting this candle. No way. No way, Jose. No, this wouldn't be a 2-bar setup because it's on the opposite trend direction. I mean, this is a potential candle that could give opportunity, but the trend was down and then price moved back up. So if anything, this would be a reversal impulse candle. It's not a 2-bar. Here we go again. Here we go again. I was hoping this Tesla would go a bit farther down towards 420. We got that tested pre-market high, so that worked out. Just didn't quite go to my ad area. I got a buddy who trades individuals only, and his strategy is he just adds 2 or 3 times into the trade. He just plans to average down a few times. Isn't that interesting? Actually, it works really well for him. That'd be a nightmare trying to trade that live. You take one average down, people will start losing their marbles. Jdun by one contract of Tesla is down 20%. I'm losing it. No, and he makes no, he's not on social media. Believe it or not, there's traders out here that crush it that aren't on social media. But no, his strategy is he plans to average down 2 or 3 times. If you plan to average down, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with averaging down if you plan it beforehand. If now the problem is when you guys take a trade and you don't plan to average down and you get emotional and can't accept the loss or can't accept the trade going against you, and then you start averaging down. That's the problem. But if you plan on averaging down prior and it's built and cooked into your risk model, then that's okay.
I think we're gonna go down again to 365 or close to 365. I'm gonna be watching the longs. Or probably longs above 428. Let's see. We got a beautiful bounce on the middle line.
All right, YouTube, I put NQ and Tesla on the screen, so y'all don't have to ask. People keep asking what I'm trading.
259 was a really good bounce there.
Oh, all right, let's see how we react here. What's this low? 360.
Because I didn't take the trade, but it was close to the opening. But you see the analysis that we did, right? Why we went down to kill these wicks. I believe.
I will trade micros and minis. I trade micros when I have a bit more risk on it and I want to be able to scale out. And minis I like trading when I go heavier on trades.
we could be repeating again the cup of these spots.
Of course.
Oh, what am I supposed to do with that candle, guys? What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with this little tiddlywink, lower volume, half spinning star doji looking candle? What am I supposed to do with that? Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. I can't do anything with that. I can't take the 2-bar test. I can't short it. Just a whole lot of nothing. Not a damn thing. That's what I'm going to do with it. Nothing. Tesla, I don't love the fact that we bounced almost at 420 and moved back up either. So I'm just going to wait. Let's go see what gold's doing. For those of y'all in a live account, you can trade gold if I'd call something out. Or if you're with Tradeify too. Tradeify allows for gold trading still too. Here's the deal. If we get some sort of rejection candle up here, we can look for shorts. If we get a strong buy candle up, ideally we'd open the candle here, we'd close up here, get a retest back down to this 410 and keep stops below 380. That's what I ideally see is move candle up here, retest into the zone, stops here, and move up. That's what I'd ideally like to see if we're going to get a long side setup for the retracement. We'll see if that ends up playing out. Gold does have a 2-bar playing out right now. Look at that. Textbook. If you guys are on screen share on the right, let's see how the retracement actually looked. Oh, yeah. Move into the zone. You would have had a lot of risk, though. You would have had significant risk if you had a top tick about 10 points. But move here, and then you'd want to see new low day out of this if you were trading that gold 2-bar. It's a lot of risk, though, in gold. You'd have to trade micros. That's what it would look like. If you're on the screen share, you can see that. As a reminder, TikTok, I am live on YouTube as well. You get to see my full screen share on YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on YouTube. How many of y'all am I going to see at the free live training tonight? I better see all y'all. If you're looking to learn the 2-bar strategy, the DOD system, I better see all y'all at the free live training tonight. For anyone that would like to attend at 8 p.m. Eastern time tonight, does anyone still need the link? Is there anyone in chat who still needs the link? Or would like to receive the recording after? All right. If you'd like to receive the recording after or attend live, I'll put the link in chat right now. I just posted it 4 times. I'll pin it as well. It's on YouTube if you want to get that link. Let's see. Tesla is in our bounce area. We just bounced a bit prior. I like taking the initial retest. I can't do anything with this candle either. And I can't long this candle on Tesla. I'm just getting put in my place left and right. What am I supposed to do with that? Guys, we're getting so close. We're inching towards having 2,000 people concurrently on the live on YouTube. Y'all are the best. I appreciate y'all coming and joining me every single morning. Hopefully, I've helped you stay disciplined, stay focused, and take A+ setups only. We're almost to 400 likes as well. Make sure y'all smash that like button if you're enjoying the live. I love y'all too. Pay done at your service. I'm going to try to find y'all a winner today. Why not 1 minute trades? Bro, the thing is, I always tell people this. If you're looking for a live stream where you're going to see said trader, being myself, take 5, 6, 7 trades and always be in a trade for you, respectfully, this is not the live stream for you. You're not going to get a lot of value here. If you want to take better trades, higher quality trades, make and keep more money, well, then this is a great live stream for you. Good trading is boring trading. So every 2 hours that I stream every day, I take 1 or 2 trades. All right, let's see if we finally get a push above with volume.
Guys watching this part.
See if we finally get this.
This box.
It's by yesterday's high, too. That could be good. We got 3 more minutes on this candle. Maybe we finally get it. So here's my plan, guys. This is my plan for potential trade 1. If we get a strong close up here, I'll wait for the retracement back down. I'll keep stops likely below 390 or below 380, depending on my risk. And I'll look for that retracement in here for the higher low and continuation up. Hopefully it doesn't do to us today what it did yesterday. But that's always a possibility. Always a possibility. We got the volume. Now let's see if we get the close. We got the volume. Let's see if we get the close. Let's see, this is 410. We could have a wrist down to 380 if we get an add around 410. It took me to rehab and I started questioning my existence. All right. Let's stay focused, everybody. We might get an A+ setup here to try. This is an A+ setup. If we get this close here and retest, I will try this, even if I get stopped out in 10 seconds. You got PTSD from yesterday. Setup looks great if we do get this close up here. Hopefully we don't get too much wick. John Wick, stay away. Hmm. 20 more seconds on this candle, guys. What do you think, Grizzly? You like the pullback or nah? Oh, how are we going to close? All right, we got the close. I'm going to watch for this pullback back down. I have to try this if we pull back down to around 410. Hopefully we don't trend higher before.
All right, people, looking for a pullback.
Could you hear me, Grizzly?
Yeah, I just
Oh, I was saying I'm watching for this move to 410. I was asking you if you liked it for a pullback for longs.
421 and I like 410.
Yep, I like.
416. Top of the box.
I prefer.
My stop's going to be 392.
I was thinking about putting my stop a little lower, 380. About 30 points if I get that 410 ad. It's too high here. I'm not going to buy this breakout. I will buy the retest though. Come on, don't push before. Don't do it. Please do not redeem the longs. All right. I like that whole 410 to 420 area. With stop, worst case scenario stops at 380. I would understand if you wanted your stops at 390 though. I totally get it. My finger's on the trigger for these buys on longs for NQ, guys. I literally got my pointer finger ready. I'd rather see around 410. There's a bit less risk. I would understand the pre-market high bounce though, 420-ish. I might add actually a small size at like around 420. Trade micros at a small size. And then add again 410 to 400. That's going to be my plan, is to try at 420, a light size, and then add at 410, stops below 380. That's my plan as of this moment. Come on, a little lower. A little lower. All right, guys. Trying a piece here. Trying a piece of longs there. I'm going to keep a 25-point stop on this. I got a really good fill. My average is 400.75. I'm going to keep my stops at 379. I swear if it does the same shit as yesterday, or 375, excuse me. I got a good fill, so I'm going to give this 25 points of risk. I did try it, everybody. I did try it. If it does the same, bro. Bruh. Again, 2 trades in a row, bro. Are you kidding me? What is that bullshit? What? 2 trades in a row. All right. Let's see. If we reclaim this, I'm going to try again. If that was a sweep down, I'm going to try again if we reclaim this 400. What's that? Wow, fucking 60?
My entry was at 374.
We have to reclaim this with strength, and I'll try it again. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, granted, I got a great fill on that. Damn it, 25 points. I'm about done trading upside, bro. I'm just sticking the downside. 2 trades in a row in like 15 seconds. How? Micros, but still, geez Louise. What? And I can't long this either. I can't long this here. Look at that candle. I can't look at that volume. I can't long this. No more longs. Never mind. That is unreal. I mean, that's a setup I'd take 20 out of 20 times, but 100 out of 100 times. But Jesus, man. Jeez Louise, 2 days in a row of just immediately 15 seconds. We could look at now and move back up to 410 to 420 with stops above. Why is it going like that? With stops above 443 or 448. That was a great setup. It's just, Jesus. Right through it. 2 trades in a row. What the hell? Let's see. The day is still young. We are down 1,000, 1,100, 1133.50 on that, guys. 1133.50. So we're starting off the week down 1,700 so far. I have no setup for long now until we build a base above this 410 to 420. Could arguably look for a reversal up here, like 410. I can't believe that. I can't believe that, guys. I swear if it does the same thing as it did yesterday, I'm going to be so salty. Literally in 15 seconds. 15 seconds is diabolical work. That is diabolical from this market. It's all right. We rebound. If we can just catch one nice 50-plus pointer, that would be great.
I took the loss guys because we bounced on the weekly bottom of the whole box.
410 to 420.
My entry was 374. Stop loss 350.
That is just foul. Look at that sweep right there. That is foul AF. So I'm just gay done again. J-Bum shows up again. No, but for that was a good setup. I would take that 100 out of 100 times. Just these sweeps have just been so aggressive. Like trend up, good volume, sweep. So we're just gonna have to adapt to that, which is fine. We're cool with adapting to that. We can adapt. That's all right. We kept it small, 25 points. Well, 25.75 points technically. We'll see if we can catch a nice winner. I got one more trade in me. If I take another full-size loss, I would be done trading for the day. I'll probably stick around until at least 9, but I have a 2 max loss limit for myself. If I hit max loss twice, I end the day. I end my trading day.
I'm gonna be trimming some here, guys. Trimming some, stop loss to break even.
Let's see, 410 to 420.
Break the top of this box.
It's gonna do the same thing it did to me yesterday, huh? Well, it would have been a break even right now, but frustrating.
Top loss still a break even. I want to see if we break the top of this box. Break it. Break it.
If we get a confirmation short candle here, I will look for shorts off this reversal pre-market high and 15-minute high. I'm gonna wait for this candle to confirm though, so not gonna jump the gun on this. Gonna wait. Got one more setup in me. If it works, we'll need at least 1R minimum, ideally 1.52R to go green. 1R would put us back break even. How am I supposed to short this? I can't. I'm doomed. 2 losses in a row. The world's ending. I can't do it. It's going to do the same thing it did to me yesterday, huh? Right bias, just sweep, Cooked. And what you guys got to remember too is that if you have an A+ setup like that works, you got to keep going at it. You just got to manage your risk on the losers. You can't let them get massive, and you can't let them get you emotional. The day is still young. I still believe. Holding this 400. Okay.
I'm still on the trade, guys. I'm aiming to break the top of the box for 1.6.
I guess so. Cooked. If it goes to high a day, I'm going to be so salty. I'm going to be so salty, bro. If it does the same shit it did to me yesterday, literally 2 days in a row. Right bias.
Confident on the break.
Bro.
Because as you can see, we bounce perfectly in the middle line of that box. They folded. That's why I'm expecting the break of the box.
Let's see.
That's why.
It's hard to short too. I mean,
We made one. I'm expecting
like,
the trade.
on this 5-minute chart, this candle says reversal here, but it just looks like with this potential higher low here, looks like we might want to go retest this high. It's going to do the same thing it did to me yesterday. Literally exact same thing. No new trades yet. Just waiting. No new trades yet. Just waiting. I don't think we have any. We have no more data today either. My entry would have been sitting at 400.75. So would have just now gotten to 1-to-1. Oh boy. Two bar. Anything, please. Anything at all? You got a 2-bar for me? NASDAQ? Tempted to try the shorts if we get a reversal candle up here. That's what I'd like to see. Give us some volume here. If we get some volume, I'll try the retest back up for shorts, everybody. Come on, I'm not going to get the volume I want. That candle looks great. This looks fantastic. For like a retest up to 400-ish with stops above 430. I would love to see that for a reversal. Would just love to see it if we had some sort of volume on this candle, but look at that. What am I supposed to do with that volume?
I'm gonna try shorts at 400 if we get up there.
I'm looking at that too. I don't love the volume, but
400, shorts at 400 stop would be above that previous day high if we get up there, which we may not. That's what I'm watching. I wish I could have actually, I wish I'd taken it close to that previous day high early on shorts, but I doubted myself and I missed out. So.
that's what I'm watching too, Grizzly. I don't love the volume, so it'll be a little higher risk. I like the candle structure. That looks good, that lower high we made. And you have clear risk. You have clear risk about 428. I like that too.
You guys go for a break even? So let's pay it.
Greg, do you keep leaving the Zoom and coming back?
Yeah, man. Let's pay
I
it.
was wondering, I was like, he's going again. And now you're back.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm watching this setup at around this 400, guys. I don't like this volume. That's my only concern, is we don't have a lot of volume on this candle.
We can get up there.
But it is defined a risk. I like that part.
What's the video doing? No ripping or is it pulling down?
Well, let's see here.
Anybody?
I'm still watching.
I'd like to know what the video is doing before I...
410. I haven't tried yet, guys. I'm watching. My fingers on the trigger. Haven't tried yet.
I got a small piece of shorts, everyone. MNU
Yep.
shorts, I'm in. Stop losses.
I'm gonna try too, guys. Tried a piece of shorts at 401. I'm gonna set my stops at 428. I don't love that volume, so I'm not going heavy. I only have, I don't have a lot of risk on this trade. I only have, 401 to 428, 27 points. So we'll see. If we had confirming volume on this, I'd likely go decently heavy, but we did not. So if we close this 5-minute candle above with higher volume before stopping me out, I'll stop the trade out early. It's worth the risk though. Stop set at 429, excuse me. If I lose this trade, I'll likely be done for the day. I have less size on this, so I'm not quite full size loss, but close. At least I didn't get stopped out in 15 seconds. Jeez Louise. Second trade in a row that happened. Literally second trade in a row that happened. I don't think that's ever happened to me before, where 2 trades in a row just get obliterated within 15 seconds. To even think about taking profit on this, I don't want to see a move below 55, guys. So you guys are aware. I do have hard stop set at 29. I have hard stop set at 29, so sitting around break even right now. If we get a strong close above this 15-minute high, I will stop out for a loss prior. It'll be a small loss, basically break even, but I don't like what I'm seeing, guys. I don't like that at all. I'm not going to add anything to this trade, guys. I'm keeping my stop set. I don't like what I'm seeing with This 5 minute holding up. We're flagging here. I don't like that at all. We'll see. My stops are set. I'm not going to add anything to the position. Going to either let this play out and stop me out or go down below 55. If I lose this, we'll be down. Oh, goodness. Not quite full-size loss, but we're 15. This is going to stop us out, huh? I'm just not in my game. I don't know what's going on. Oh, my gosh. I'm out of this trade, guys. Freaking frick, guys. What's going on? Again, we're not at the full size for the day, but I'm probably going to have to call it, folks. I can't get it going. I can't get my rhythm going. I mean, granted, we kept it small. Jeez Louise. Let's see here. What is going on, guys? I can't win. My system's broken. We kept it managed, but geez Louise. We kept it managed, but geez Louise. If it sweeps me and then goes in the direction I want, I'm just retiring. It's been real. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun.
Thank you once again. And 3-4-20.
All right. We got about $400 worth of risk we can still give. So that's about it. If we find something else. 0 for 2 on the day, guys. This is not 2 red days in a row. Hasn't happened in a long time, but it's happening now. Well, probably happening now. Frustrating.
Close 4-0-2, guys. And 3-4-2.
See if we can catch anything else. See if anything else confirms. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be done for the day. Right now, honestly, I don't see anything that I would potentially like. Maybe an aggressive impulse up and then with higher volume and a retest down. Besides that, I swear if we wick up and sweep and then die, that would be 3 trades in a row that did that. That would be 3 trades in a row that the bias was right. Just gonna have to start going lower size and having 40 to 50 point stops. I mean, that might be the adaptation, is just use half the size and have wider stops as far as points go. Oh, it's definitely J-Bum today. Jdun, go away. Come again, never day. All right, let's see. I'm trying shorts one more time on this pop-up, guys. One more time. Last trade. If we pop here 400 to 410. Last trade. I am 100% done if this goes above 439. Tried a piece of shorts up here. Tried a piece of shorts. I'm 100% done. I'll go over 3. I'm going to get off the stream. 400 to 415. Reject, higher volume. This is the area I like. If we go above 439, I'm done for the day. I'm taking my max loss, and I'm going to leave for the morning. Final trade, guys. Go above 439. I'm done for the day. Maximum loss will have been hit, and I will go out and enjoy my day with an aggressive leg workout or something, probably. Five-minute chart looks good. Test up that 15 up to that 15-minute high. If we go above 439, I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'll be down over $2,000, and I will call it a day. You know what I'll go do is go hit a hard workout, and I'm doing some serious back testing. That's what I'm going to do. Whenever I lose a few trades, this is the area I like too, guys, by the way. You see this 5-minute candle here? Rejected this zone, higher volume there. This is exact, and a lower high between these two candles here. That's exactly what I'd look for. If we go above this high, then I'm just wrong, plain and simple. No chance I'm selling anything below 50 until we get to like 50. We'd need to see a move to like 50. Sellers are trying. We've gotten like 20 points a few times, but no selling anything for me until we get down to like 50. You can manage how you see fit if we keep moving, but I'm keeping my plan intact. My stops are set at 39. I would want to see a move from here. Let's see here. If we go above this high day, I'm just out. I'll be done. And my system and I will have been wrong, and I will go enjoy my day. This is 100,000% my final trade, guys. 1,000,000%. 1,000,000%. We got to move from like 400 to 410 down to 385, but not nearly enough to think about selling. So this is probably the best setup I've seen all day, though. Final setup. I'm done if this loses. I'm done if it wins. I'm done if it loses. Done if it wins. So this is it. This is for all the marbles. This is for all the marbles. This is the Super Bowl of the Tuesday trading day. I'm choosing DOD regardless. I'm following my plan. I'm done for the day. If this loses, I'm done for the day if it wins. This 5-minute chart looks great. We're holding below these key levels. Made the lower high here, but if we go above this 439, then I'm wrong, and I'll accept that. And I'm going to go ahead and get off and go work out early. Or maybe I'll hang out and just close my broker. We'll see. Come on. Flush it to like 50s. No, that's not. That's the wrong way. Sorry, I've been off today for you guys. Tried to manage risk along the way, just haven't been on. Right bias, a little early execution, so I'm going to have to work on that.
The trade got us, Jdun.
It did. I'm in one more. I took that ad one more time after that last 5-minute candle. This is my last trade, win or lose. I'm 100 million% done if I get stopped out. But yeah, the last trade did get me.
Hit our stop, then it just pushed up about 10 points and sold off immediately.
Oh, I know. It's the second time third trade in a row that happened to me, bro. I haven't had 2 red days in a row for a long time, but it was bound to happen eventually, right? We just stick with the system. We keep managing our risk. This is my last trade. I have my hard stops at 39. So if it stops me out, I'm 100% done. If I get my take profit down in the 50s, I'm 100% done. I don't like how we're consolidating up here. We'll see. You'd really like to see our sellers get some more strength and push us down. But right now, this honestly looks a bit more bullish than it does bearish from an overall perspective. 5-minute chart, this candle looked great for a reversal. But we're not getting much follow through on selling. So I'm keeping my plan intact. And if you're scared, you're slightly green right now, you can manage it how you see fit. I'm keeping my plan intact. This is my final trade of the day. Hard stops are in at 39. I have not moved them down yet. I'd like to see us flush this. If we hold this, my problem is this almost looks like we have some sort of ascending triangle going on. We move up, we consolidate, and then break out through here. That's my concern right now. 'Doesn't look super great from a overall day perspective, guys. It looks good from a 5-minute perspective. That's a setup that I would take. Oftentimes you'll see a reversal come, but if we don't get some follow through here, there's a good chance we start trending back up. We'll see. This is my last trade regardless. Uh, 406 is my average. So 406. We got 2 more minutes on this candle. If we end up closing this strong above this 15-minute high or above pre-market high, I'll close it early. And it'll still be my last trade. So regardless, this is my last trade no matter what. Regardless, my last trade no matter what, I'll be at my maximum loss limit if it loses. And that's when we choose DOD. That'll be fun to talk about in the webinar tonight. Well, let me show you how I got stopped out of 4 trades in a row. Something that hasn't happened in probably over a year. But we still chose DOD. We still chose DOD and didn't blow ourselves up. So if we close this candle above, like say if we close this candle at 428, I'll stop 13 points early. I'll just close it and it'll be a red trade, but I'll mitigate a little risk off. My hard stops are set at 39. That does not look good. I'm keeping my plan stop in place. It's at break even now. I'm keeping my plan stop in place. If we go above 439, I'm getting out. Final trade. Yep. Gotta be a good loser. I will only be salty if it just goes up and sleeps my stop, then dies. At that point, I will be a little salty, but it is what it is. I was bound to lose some trades in a row eventually. It's been a crazy winning streak. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Is what it is. I'm just going to be very blunt right now. This does not look great. Just going to keep it a buck with you. This does not look great. This is not what we want to see. Full body candle, the volume wasn't good, but I'm keeping my plan stop in place. If we get some 5-minute close above this pre-market high here before stopping me out at 439, then I'll stop prior. So I'm going to last trade regardless. If we close this candle up here, we have 4 minutes, so it'd probably stop me out prior, but I will stop out early. So lame, guys. We got 20, 25 points out of that. Just wasn't nearly enough to take any off.
Did anyone want to trade?
Oh, I'm in a trade that's about to get stopped out. But if you see something you like, man, do your deal. I'm about to hit my maximum loss limit for the first time. I think the first time this year. Hit my maximum loss limit where I have to get off. First time this year. Hitting my maximum loss limit. We'll see. Stops are at 39. And I got to piss. My stops are set, guys. I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be back. My stops are at 39. If this gets stopped out, I'm done. I have no take profits set. So hopefully it doesn't die.
1, 2, 3, my entry, okay? Stop loss 03, 403. 1, 2, 3, my entry. Reason why I took the increments above the box. That's why I took it before the second time. So 1 green, 1 red trade. This will be my last trade.
Oh, boy. I'm keeping my stop set the same. My plan is still the same, guys. My plan's still the same on these shorts. Stops are still set. Come on. Now give us death. Give us room to 50. Can we please get a move to 50? Can we get a move to 50, please? Please, I'm begging. If we close this candle weak, I will move my stops down to 430, which will still be a loss, but it will be less of a loss. Come on, guys. Come on. Give us higher volume and give us death here. No, not wick up. That's not what we want. We want death. Give us reversal. I have not taken anything off this trade, even if the moves to 85. This candle looks decent. I am going to move my stops now to 30. So this is still a red trade if I get stopped, guys. I'm still red, maximum loss limit for the day if I get stopped. Just a little less. 30.25, above this previous 5-minute candle. So above, basically above pre-market high. Come on. I need to move to 50. If we get a move to 50s, I'll be in good shape. If we don't get a move to my price target, then I will not be in good shape. But come on. Give some sort of move down now. Give us a reversal. Come on. My stops are at 30.25, guys. Right above this previous 5-minute high, above pre-market high. So a little less risk from the entry, only 24 points now. We're making higher lows here, which I don't like. There's no need to crash out, bro. You're going to lose trades sometimes. Just manage your risk. If you manage your risk, it's annoying, but you're fine. You crash out when you over leverage and you put too much risk on and you lose more than you can afford to lose. I'm still waiting. I want to see us move down to 50. I swear, if we get low a day out of this, I will post a picture on my main Instagram just in my underwear. No socks. I'll let the dogs out. I'll do anything for low of day. I'll do anything for low of day. I will post a picture on Jdun Trades with no caption of just meet us in my underwear. 2 thumbs up if we get low a day. I swear. Pin it. Bookmark it. I really hope we don't get low a day now, but I would love to see like 300. If we could get like 300 out of this, that'd be great. All right, guys, we're up about almost 30 points here. I'm not taking any off yet, guys. None off yet. I probably should take some off on this move down, but I need a bigger move. I'm already routing the day, so we got about 36 points there. I did not take any off. I would rather follow my plan to be red today than sell early. You guys can manage how you see fit. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So you guys can sell early if you want. If you manage your own trades. Again, if you got an entry up there on 410, you're up 20-some points. If you're having a bad day, manage how you see fit. I'm just saying I want to see the big move. I'm already red in the day. I already took 2 losing trades. So I'm not going to impulsively just try to see green to take green. I want this to follow my system, and it's either going to pay me big or I'm going to lose. It ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. You know? I would rather get stopped out than sell early out of impulse. I swear if we get low day, all the clothes are coming off. It's getting hot in here. We're putting some old school Nelly on. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. This is technically, so far, if you want, I'll put the message out. If you want to give yourself a winner, I won't be upset with you after my piss poor performance today, taking it off or taking some off. I'm holding my trade because I want to see a bigger move. And at this point, I'm already red in the day. I want to see him move down to like VWAP, down to like 360. 360 to 350. I probably should move my stops to break even here. It's just like, why, you know? I'm going to move my stops down a little to like 4 25. You know what? No, I'm not. $30 to 40 points so far here, guys. Come on, push down. Come on, push down. Come on, push down, baby. I'm trimming down here. Let's go. Come on. I'm trimming down here, guys. Trimming. You thought this was a game? Come on, baby. 60 points. We want more. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't call it a comeback. Stop, set it, break even, guys. Let's go. Where's everyone that thought I was having a red day? Where are y'all at? Huh? Where's all the haters from earlier? Come on. We don't want low a day. We're up 60 plus points so far. Come on. More. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Trim it off a bit more if we flush 50. All right, guys, taking off a bit more. Final stops are set at 400. 400. Final stop set at 400. Y'all thought this was a game, huh? Where'd my haters go? Where'd they go? I'm curious. Come on. Stop set at 400. I want to see more out of this, guys. I got my price target. 60 points. 60 points there, guys. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Stops are set at 400, so stops are set in profit. Come on. That's exactly. Finally, a freaking win. A good win that we waited for. Didn't sell for pennies. Stops are set at 400, guys. This looks like it wants to move back up potentially to high day now, too. Come on. Let's go. Well, 2 losers to start the day, so sorry about that, but we caught a winner. A nice, bigger than both the losers combined, might I add, for the third trade. I wanted to see more. I wanted to see us continue down, but we got my price target. I said I'm not selling until we get that move sub 60, and that's what we did. We followed our plan. Didn't sell for pennies. Now we're about to move back up, huh? We'll see. Stops are at 400 on the rest. Come on. Comeback of the week. Oh my gosh. If we get this flush down more, oh boy. We'll see. It's not looking great in terms of VPA, but it's possible. We got that move sub 0. Come on. Come on. Stops are still set at 400. That's why you got to follow the system, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. That worked out. I was like, guys, what's happening to me? I forgot how to trade. Hey, red or green, whatever you are, guys. Even if you're less red, if you followed your system, that's a win. Like I said, I don't care if I was red. That's why I wasn't selling for pennies on that. It's like I was already red. I'm going to follow my system. That's where having bigger wins than losses comes in. So let's say you lose 2 trades for 20 to 25 points. Well, it takes one 50-pointer, 60-pointer to go back green. Right? That's all it takes. My bias has been right all day. My execution just got stopped those first 2 times. Come on. We want more. We want more. I don't think we're going to get it, but we want more. Stops are at 400. Yeah, we're probably gonna, unless if we break down this low, oh boy. Oh boy. That'd be something. I wanted to see more out of that, but we'll take it. Oh, I wanted to see more out of that, guys, but we'll take it. I still think we could go low a day. Oh, man. Well, guess what, baby? The haters talked all that talk, all that talk. They don't understand that DOD is the will and the way. I mean, I didn't trade well, but I did trade that last trade well. I managed my risk very well. And because of it, I got rewarded. You can say what you want to say, but DOD pays. It saves.
I'm gonna take my negative $600 and call it a day.
I still think we can go low a day here. I actually think this would be a decent re-entry too for shorts if we can close this candle like this.
Looking for a short entry?
Well, I caught that banger. I'm just saying if we close this candle weak with a wick down, I think we could continue down, but not unless we get second candle confirmation.
Easier weeks to come, everyone, if you're struggling this week. I had a loss today, but it's the only trade I've taken all week. So currently negative 600 on the week. One good trade can turn it all around, though. So.
Yeah, I always tell you guys what I take live in real time. You literally can listen to me and watch me in real time every day. No other mentor will do that. So why do the haters always get silent when I catch a banger? Like, why is it? Why is it we can lose a 20 and 25 point trade, whatever, and they'll talk, but then when we catch a 60-point winner, it's silent? Why is that? I'll never understand. Hey, guys, be nice to Kevin. He has to go to his day job today. He has to go flip burgers, and he's a grown man hating in a YouTube chat. Guys, it's like I said about the guy who vandalized my car and the other cars in valet. It's like, I pray for that dude. It's like, what a miserable life. How sad. You know? How sad. What a miserable life. What a miserable man. I'm sure your wife's super happy. Fries in the bag, Kev. Fries in the bag, my boy. God bless. Hey, you know what? I almost went over 3 today. I would have just gotten off. Fries in the bag, bro. Fries in the bag. Beef tallow, though. Y'all crack me up. For real. Y'all crack me up. I'm just happy we caught a winner, guys. I still think we can go lower. I still think that we can go lower. I still think we can go lower, guys. I mean, thinking doesn't do much, but I'm glad we caught a nice winner to the downside. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we caught that. Jeez Louise. Let's see, folks. Let's see what they give us. You were down. You went from red 2100 to red 464. That's great. That's great. Even red to less red is great. I am done. I'm just saying. I'm talking. I'm hanging out for 22 more minutes. If I see anything I like, I will let you guys know. Great call out. Thank you. Yeah, that was good. Oh, today was stressful, guys. For sure. But I'm happy with how it goes. I'm 1 for 3 today. I missed the moves. What do you mean? Oh, it's like no one else is doing this live for you guys. I'm managing everything in real time. Don't call it a comeback. Jeez Louise. Yeah, crickets. Went from red to less red. That's okay. That's a dub. You follow, honestly, even if you're red, green, whatever, if you followed your system today and followed your risk, that's a win. Not gonna lie, this does look good though. Jdun, don't do it. It does look good. That 2 bar is looking quite enticing. That 2 bar is looking quite enticing now, isn't it? If you were to trade, this would be the 2 bar area with stops above like 390. Just saying. Or you could, if you wanted a bit more risk at like 375, you could just do stops above 400. The only problem is you're bouncing off that 50% retracement. You'd almost have to have stops above 400. Like move it up a bit above the trend setting candle. That'd be the two bars. You enter around here, 370 to 380, and you keep stops above 401. Because if you go above that, you likely go test higher. Jeez Louise, guys. What a stressful day. I don't even care about getting stopped out or losing. It's just, bro, that first trade I took literally was the same as yesterday, dude. It stopped me in literally 15 seconds. Like, how frustrating to start the day. Well, I appreciate y'all's support. If you want to come learn DOD in the 2-bar system, you can come to tonight's free live training. How many of y'all are going to be there? How many of y'all are joining me? How many of y'all are joining for the free live training tonight? I better see y'all there. If you don't have your sign up link yet, you can use this link I just posted. I just posted in the chat. You can also, if you can't get on it on your computer or if you're on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord or to the free live training. I'm tripping. Yep, Jdun Trades on Instagram. That's the only place I answer DMs. If you want the recording as well, you must get registered. No, I'm not going long. If anything, I like shorts, the 2-bar setup with stops above 401. If you bake above 400, then that's not valid anymore. If you get some solid confirmation, I'd say you can look longs. Oh. Mm. Because 401 is whole cycle number and it's also above that previous wick before the 2-bar setup high. But whole cycle number 400, right above that wick high. That's why I like that stop. Oh, I'm just glad we can catch a winner today. Whether you want red to green or red to less red, those are both wins in my book. Damn, that 2-bar went to that low day and immediately see this looks a little sketchy. That 2-bar, push down to that new, not new low of day, excuse me, but that new low of range, and then is immediately bouncing back up. That's a little sketchy. That's a little sketchy if you ask me. Hey, win, lose, or draw, I'm calling every trade live. Guys, I'm sorry my win rate's not 100%. It honestly was for a hot minute. I was hitting crazy this week. It's just been not great. I went from gay done to pay done. I need to go unthaw my meat too, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to stay on until it's unthawed. So you guys can ask me some questions if you'd like, and I'll be on for probably 10, 15 more minutes while my meat unthaws. I'll be right back.
Look who's here. I'm here. Did you guys miss me? Did you take any trades, guys? I was trading and driving. I made like $1,500 on my funded account driving and trading. I took shorts and I took longs and I took shorts. What?
I ended the day green. First trade again, stopped in 10 seconds.
What?
Again, back to back.
What'd you take?
Then I lost a second trade, and then I caught a 60-point winner. Like, held the whole thing.
That's crazy. I took 3 winners today. I went short and then I went long and then I went short.
Bro, bias was right in all 3 trades. First one, bro, stopped literally
Well, look how choppy it is.
Bro, dude, stopped literally immediately, bro. Shit pissed me off.
I'm long short.
Longs. I hate longs, dude. I'm literally about to just be done trading longs. I'm about to retire from trading upside.
Yeah. Upside, it kind of sucks. Downside is so much better.
Sure, why not? As a reminder, TikTok, win, lose, or draw, I'm doing it all for you guys live and explaining every trade that I take, helping you stay disciplined. If you're looking to learn how to trade, have a community to trade with, or keep yourself more disciplined, hit that follow button in the top left corner. Same deal with YouTube. Make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you don't miss any lives. Thanks for the 30-point losing trade, said Legnar. Hey, where's my thank you for the 60-point winner? I'm curious. Do I get a thank you for the double winner that I literally said I was holding in full and not trimming any off early? I'm just curious. Where's my flowers for that? You can hate on the losers, that's fine, but then you got to give love for the winners too. Hopefully that 2-bar ends up paying for y'all. If you guys took that, it stops above 400. Oh, it doesn't work that way. So you only get congratulated on, or you only get talked T on for losers, but you don't get any recognition for winners. Got it. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Yeah, keep trading to win a trade. Great attitude, bro. These are the people that vote in society, guys. These are who you're driving next to, everybody. These are who you're driving next to, everybody, and who are voting. Remember that. Oh man. Hey, we like to shout at the haters a little bit sometimes. We're gonna get this 2-bar is gonna work out. Watch this. Watch it. Look at that. Look at that. That's why I said stops above 400. Where are all the haters? Where did all the doubters and haters go? Come on. You know you can't be bearish on Jdun long term. It won't work out well for you. It won't work out well. It just won't. It just simply will not. Yeah, honestly, I challenge any of the haters to just do the opposite of me every day. See how it goes over a month period. It won't go well. I'll tell you that much. You do call your trades out with your plan before it happens. I don't ideally like to start with 2 losers, though. What's up, Gene?
What up, dude?
Oh, just... Saw it in real time. Yep. Why do these same weird people join my lives every day? It's so odd. Like, it's weird. Interesting. Well, I recommend some counseling and a diet. Now I'm going to mute you so you can't respond. Oh, and she follows me. All right. Lay off the Burger King, baby girl. Anywho, let's find you guys some more value the rest of the week. I know they got to blame someone, right? Got to blame somebody. Hey, we got to clap back at the haters. If they can't, if they can dish it, they can take it too. You feel me? You feel me? They hate to see us win. Say, put the fries in the bag. Go ahead and diet. and then mute you so you can't respond. It's like, as a grown man or woman, if you're in a live stream hating on someone who consistently just wins and gives good value and doesn't tell people to full port their accounts and tells people to choose discipline, like, I don't know what's wrong with you. People just want to see the world burn. People just want to see the world burn. Yeah, baby. Trading is 90% mental over time. It's not right off the rip, though. Yeah, it's all my fault. Sorry. Is that another 2-bar working out I see? Is that another 2-bar working out that I see? As a reminder, if you guys want access to my free live training tonight, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Don't. Look at that 2-bar setup playing out again. Look at that 2-bar setup. Watch the people who left after the first hour come in tomorrow again and be like, you lost all your trades. No. Yeah. You're welcome. Yes, I'm supposed to have 100% win rate. I totally forgot. I'm so sorry. Look at that 2-bar setup playing again. Look at that retracement playing again. Thank goodness we caught a nice trade. Thank goodness we caught that, folks.
Do you want some of this?
Sure. I thought I was cooked today, Gene.
What?
I thought I was gonna lose 3 trades. Nope.
Nope, didn't.
Nope. I'm a DOD trader, baby. Come on. Well, thank you for that, Gene. Risk. Flush it. We want to see it flush. Oh, man. Bro was nearly crying. Yeah, bro, crying. Crying. I had tears coming out of my eyes. I'm going to get a tattoo. It says DOD, discipline over dopamine. Let's go. That's awesome, Michael. Let's go. What you guys will find for me over time too is I will put more size and risk on downside trades than upside. It's rare I put a lot of risk on when I trade upside. It'll happen once in a while, but it's pretty rare. I find that I find that I trade the downside better. So I'm going to put a bit more risk on. I mean, you're going to have to make money to the upside long term. The market's going to go up over time. That's just how it's plumbed. But day trading wise, I make more to the downside. And I know that. Doesn't mean we need complete trend down days, but looks like we're selling off each of these pops. That looks good still. We'll see. For those of y'all that are still trading. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy. Not two full-size losses. Nope. False. I'll never understand why grown men sit in a live stream and hate. It honestly is beyond me. Like, you got to be so miserable. I just don't get it. You got to give me my flowers when I win for you, baby. Come on. Yeah, if I hit my maximum loss limit, I was done. So, like I said, if I would have hit my maximum loss limit, I probably would have gotten off stream and been done. I'm waiting for if my meat was ready to cook, then I'd be done. I'd get off stream right now too, but might as well catch a few new people that might join. Tell them to join in tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm live every day. What did Tesla do? Oh, Tesla did end up getting that 420 area bounce, huh? We went to high day. Literally, that ended up being the low, or the higher low, excuse me. If you guys are new here, especially on the TikTok, they show us a lot of new faces. Make sure you join us every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. We're live every single day. If you're looking to focus on discipline, get every trade that I take, I do it all transparently. Even if that means losing, you know? I made 160 today because of the 2-bar setup in DOD. Nice. Yep. I don't like losing trades, but it happens sometimes. This looks like it wants to continue down right now. Especially if we can flush this 300. Oh, baby. That was baller. Shot caller. You should join us every day, bro. Make sure y'all hit that follow button. If you're on TikTok, make sure you hit that follow in the top left corner. So you get notified and you can see these lives every day when you get in the app. I'm on for the first 2 hours of market open. I get on around 9 a.m. Eastern time. TikTok or YouTube, same deal. Let's see, Team Bull. When, what? Hopefully soon. God, there's so much good opportunity here. These 2 bars have been money bags if you've been looking at them. This chart still looks like it wants to continue down until we break above like 400. I wouldn't watch for any longs until we get above 400. Hey, Nigel, get out of here, bro. Come on. Lock it up for the day. Lock it up for the day, my boy. Okay, guys, I do need to get off soon. Gene, will you check if that meat's unthawed? Please? If it is, I'm going to get off. If it is, I'm going to get off. Is it?
A little bit in the center. A little bit.
Ended up green, baby. Green machine. Held that whole trade down. Like, again, I talked to it the whole time, guys. The whole time. Said, I'm not selling this. I'm not selling this at 1-to-1. You need, if you want to go red to green, right? Or if your win rate is down, you have to have higher R multiple trades, meaning you got to hold the trade longer. Have a bigger R multiple. So keep your risk on, hold your winner longer. I appreciate y'all supporting me and using code Jdun. Apex is 80% off right now. Tradeify is 30% off. I don't love... It really ruins my day when I lose trades for y'all, but I'm glad we could catch a winner. So, is what it is. Started today, not on the note we wanted to, but ended it on a beautiful note. Held that whole trade. Even told you guys in real time, I was like, we're up 30 points. I'm not selling a damn thing. But, all right, y'all. I'm going to mob off for the day. Reminder, tonight's free live training is at 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you are not signed up, this is the last time I'm going to post the link. Post it in chat and Team Bull right now. Make sure you guys are signed up. I'm also going to post it in the YouTube chat right now as well. What the hell? I'll post it in YouTube as well, guys. If you guys can't get it on your computer or if you're in TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. It will be recorded. Yep. You'll need to be on the email list and sign up if you'd like access. So I recommend you join live. You'll get a lot more value. You can DM me on Instagram for the link to register. All right, guys. Sorry about the first two losing trades. Tried to keep them small and managed with stop losses set, of course. And we caught one banger trade done in the day. So trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? God bless y'all. Peace. Adios, Team Bull. God bless. Tomorrow, we're going 1 for 1, putting it in the universe. Peace.